What if I told you that your journey back to strength doesn't have to be painful, that it doesn't begin in a gym or with long, exhausting workouts, but instead, it begins quietly, gently, while you sleep. Pause. Tonight, and every night after, your body has a chance to rebuild the strength you thought was fading forever. As we grow older, our muscles begin to change. At first, it's almost unnoticeable. A little stiffness in the morning, a slight hesitation before climbing stairs, a feeling that walking takes just a bit more effort than before. But after the age of 60, this change accelerates. Getting out of a chair takes more energy. Carrying groceries feels heavier. A short walk becomes a challenge instead of a routine. For many seniors, this slow decline becomes frightening, not because the body is aging, but because independence begins to feel uncertain. But here's the surprising truth. This decline is not permanent, not fixed, not final. Research shows that even in your 60s, 70s, and 80s, your muscles can rebuild. Your legs can grow stronger. Your balance can improve. And your confidence can return. The key lies not just in movement, but in recovery, especially nighttime recovery. You don't build muscle when you move. You build muscle when you rest. Every night, while you sleep, your body repairs the tiny stress and wear your muscles experienced during the day. This nighttime repair process is powerful, but only if your body has the nourishment it needs. Without that support, the body may continue breaking down more muscle than it rebuilds, especially in the legs, the foundation of balance, posture, and mobility. This is where the idea of a simple nighttime routine comes in. A gentle, calming habit. 1 spoon of nourishment before bed. Not a pill, not a chemical, nothing extreme. Just a slow digesting, natural source of protein or a warm bedtime blend that supports your body through the night. Many seniors choose warm milk or a non-dairy high-protein alternative because it digests slowly and provides a steady release of nutrients. Others prefer a comforting nighttime mix, such as a small amount of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, or seeds like chia for added gentle nourishment. These ingredients don't work like magic. They work with your body, fueling it slowly over 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. Why focus on the legs? Because your legs are everything. They carry your weight. They control your balance. They keep you steady. They help you rise from a chair, climb steps, and walk with confidence. Weak legs don't just mean weakness. They mean a loss of freedom. But strong legs, they are the gateway back to independence. Now, imagine this. You begin a simple routine. Each night before bed, you make your warm drink or your gentle 1-spoon blend. You sleep peacefully, knowing your body is repairing, rebuilding, restoring. And then, a few weeks pass. One morning, you stand up from your bed, and it feels easier. A walk down the hallway feels smoother. Those stairs that used to intimidate you don't seem as steep. It isn't a miracle. It's not a trick. It's your body finally receiving the steady support it has needed all along. Starting is simple. Each night, prepare a small glass of warm milk or your preferred high-protein alternative. Add a gentle, slow-digesting ingredient if you'd like. Something natural and comfortable for your body. Drink it slowly, then rest. Your muscles will use the nighttime nourishment to repair, support, and rebuild, especially in the legs. You don't need to run. You don't need heavy exercise. You don't need to strain. You simply need consistency, a quiet routine, one small act every night that supports you from the inside out. Your body has not given up on you. It has simply been waiting for the right support, the right timing, the right routine. 1 spoon, one night at a time.